What's up, guys? It's been a while since I posted on here, but I want to give a Bitcoin update. Things are looking really crazy right now. I'm really excited for this. So I'm going to start with the weekly really quick, and we'll break it down a little bit. So I'm going to tell you why I think that we have high probabilities that we are going to finally bust through this top trend line and full send to all-time highs, full bull mode. So this is going to be a really interesting week to watch if we can close, especially like this. There's a chance we can even bust through this right now. So let me just start. This is kind of why. First of all, everyone's posting this flag. Obviously, it's like a giant covenant handle. I think that the minimum move would be something like this to around 114,000, something like that. And then there's potential for this to go a lot lower, and or not quite as high. There's potential for it to go even higher. Another one would be all the way to the bottom of this. And that would be kind of the next, I would say, 125,000, something like that. There is a lot of people calling for like 200K, 250K. I don't see that right now. I see 100,000 up maybe to 150 most at the most. But who knows? What do I know? Again, nothing is like that I'm saying is financial advice. Obviously, this is just like fun stuff to look over. Okay, on the weekly. We're in this channel, very bullish. First of all, the RSI and the stochastic RSI are low, especially the stochastics. It's resetting, pointing upwards. I mean, every time we've gotten this down here, we've gotten a big move. You know, and it's looking very, very bullish on that end right now. Great time to DCA and buy into altcoins, in my humble opinion. That's what I've been doing. We could see alt season here really soon. A lot of people are calling for that as well. So we obviously are in this channel. We finally had this lower low, and then we have a higher low finally. See this right here? Finally have a higher low. And now we are shooting straight up. So these last few weeks have been amazing. So if we go to the daily chart, super interesting. Let's see, right here. We finally broke above the 200. Where's my arrow? There it is. Let's bring that over. We finally broke above the 200 MA, which is this orange line right here. Broke above that. That is a very bullish sign. Every time that happens, it's usually good. We did it right here, but we got rejected. This seems to have a lot more power. There's a flag consolidation, then we busted up. So there's a very high chance we can keep going here. The only thing I would say, the stochastics are overbought, so that tends to want to roll down a little bit. So we might see a blast through right now. Or we might see a consolidation for a little bit, you know, something like this. And then do this. So that's kind of what I'm seeing. Obviously, if we go to the 4 hour, we just had a really nice move. I am currently in a long right now. I'll show you the long I'm in. And this has been a good one. Entered right around here, 63, right just under 64,000. Stop loss was around 61, and my target price is 71,000. I might even continue this move, take some profits out along the way, but I might continue this for the full bull. Honestly, I might hold this. It's a bigger trade. So in the meantime, we are scalping and having fun. There's been so many fun little moves inside these bigger moves. And all around, Bitcoin's just looking really, really, really good right now. And I think that there is a chance, let's go back to the original chart. I think there is a high chance that we do a full send here. You could kind of just feel it in the air, and I don't use a lot of feelings when I trade personally. It's all about what the charts are telling us and what the probabilities are saying, all that stuff. But you also kind of got to pay attention to like the sentiment of what people are thinking and what the markets are and all that stuff. And it's definitely turned bullish again, which could be a bad thing because people could take advantage of that and just drop the price and get it lower. But there is always a chance, guys, that this could come all the way back down to the channel. That would be kind of like, oh, man, you know, and then we full send. I don't know. But right now, because we're getting above the 200 MA on the daily, I think there's a better chance of us consolidating or just blasting through and heading up. I think the time is here. It makes sense on the cycle, where we're at in the cycle. And I hope that, you know, again, this is not financial advice. I just hope you guys are using risk management and you guys are investing wisely, and never, in my opinion, never invest money that you're not willing to lose. But I hope that you guys I hope that your bags are loaded and ready to go if we do get this move. And I hope that there's a plan. I'm currently making a plan right now, and I'll probably share that soon on where I'm going to be taking my profits. Because if we don't take profits, we just hold to all our altcoins and everything. I mean, yeah, and I'll probably do another video here in a little bit too with all the altcoins that I'm currently looking at, invested in, all that stuff. But yeah, if we don't have a plan, then that's where most people get just absolutely wrecked. If you don't have a plan on taking profits, if the whole point of this is taking profits and making money, you got to have a plan. So I'm making my plan right now. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, stay tuned for more updates. I'm going to be doing more live trades, especially in the evenings. I'm on the West Coast in the US, so I will be doing more live trades in the evenings. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit subscribe and share this and all that stuff. It's a fairly brand new channel. It's a very small channel. I just do this for fun, looking to help people out, and have fun and make friends and look at coins. And this is such an interesting industry and market right now that we're in. And I hope you guys are having just as much fun as I am. So we will see you guys soon.